Hey guys, on the way to go pick up this free car. As you can see, I'm being a passenger princess. I'm loving it. Anyway, I'll keep you updated and I'll show you the car when I get there. As you can see, my wife is driving me. No, I'm going to cut that bit, obviously. Passenger princess again. So here it is, guys. This is a new chav wagon. Might be a little old Ford Fiesta, but it was free. I mean, you all can't hate on a free car. I'm going to get run over. As I say, it does need a clean and a good polish, but we'll make some videos about it. Anyway guys, this is the inside of it. As you can see, it's a little automatic boy, so it's nice, easy commuting to work. There we go. That's the inside of it. Rear seats. There's a 5-door. Can't see it there. Windy windows, boy. Windy windows. Bits there. Obviously I would show you in the boot, but I think I've parked a bit close. No, it should be alright. As you can see, it's got all my wash gear in there, so we'll get it washed and polished. Thanks for watching guys. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. And remember guys, if cabbage can, you can too.